Hello, everyone. Today we will learn English speaking at the airport. Listen and repeat after me. Part 1. Check-in counter. I have a flight to Delhi. Where is the check-in counter? Here is my passport and ticket. How many bags do you have? I have only one bag. Part 2. Security check. Where is the security check? Do I need to remove my shoes? Is this allowed in hand baggage? Which gate should I go to? What time is boarding? Is the flight on time? Part 4. General sentences. I am traveling for the first time. Thank you for your help. Practice these sentences daily. Speak English confidently at the airport.